Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also been trading within this ascending channel, which is right here, that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $5.89 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first give you target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.46 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Filecoin to do here on the short-term scenarios. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we have almost fully maximized that target area in a move that has now given us a high at around the $6.452 mark. And since we have not yet shown any signs of cooling off in the formation of this wave 4, there are high chances that Filecoin is going to continue gearing up, get above the fib level 1.618, continue unlocking higher prices, and maybe get us to the next area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 2.618 at around the $7.153 mark. And in case such a move plays out, then Filecoin will be able to put a high in the formation of that wave 3 above the fib level 1.618 before we can expect a bit of a cool off in the formation of that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And there are also high chances that that is the move that is going to play out in case we see a breakout out of this ascending channel to the upper side, because a breakout of this ascending channel could trigger even higher prices above the fib level 1.618 and maybe get us to the fib level 2.618 at around the $7.5 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart on the short-term scenarios. And you can also see that we are also holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Filecoin chart, basing it on these Elliot wave structures right here in yellow, where you can see that we have seen a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within this red target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And as a result of these micro Elliot wave counts, that's the reason as to why you can see that I have these Elliot wave structures within the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3. And within the formation of that wave 3, which is impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, which has just given me the short-term scenarios where we have almost fully maximized our minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and there are high chances of breaking through the fib level 1.618 and get us to even higher areas on the Fibonacci's in the formation of that wave 3. So continue watching for a breakout out of this ascending channel to the upper side and get a high above the fib level 1.618, and that is all for this video.